for easel. E-A-S-E-L, easel.
Easel is a stand that holds paper or stick.
Educational game. Educational. Educational. Game. Educational game. Educational game is a fun game that helps you learn. Emergency kit. Emergency. Emergency. Kit. Emergency kit. Emergency kit is a box with things to help small injuries. E. So first we have spell it. E-S-R. Oh no! I think I have said once more the wrong spelling. So can you correct the spelling for me in 5 seconds? And if 5 6 starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, you are correct. E-R-A-S-E-R. Eraser.